Here's a pair of the Sony LinkBuds clip earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone that I'm using here is a iPhone 16e. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. So the buds are in a case. Let me open this up. I'll know if it's in pairing mode if it blinks blue, 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 blue. However, I get a solid green light and then it turns off. The reason for me is because it's currently connected to one of my other phones. So let me manually put this into pairing mode. So both the buds are in the case, and if I look on the back, there's a round button there. I'm going to press and hold that button until the light here starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Here's the button here, ready. Press and hold, keep holding, just wait. Wait. Blue, 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 blue. Okay, now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our iPhone here. We want to go to the Bluetooth settings. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now we're going to scroll down. Now over here on other devices, that little spinning thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range, and it did find the LinkBuds there. I will tap on that. Voila, we are connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.